What's up, guys? Sunflower Land has chickens. It also has some cakes we can make, and I'm going to tell you exactly how to get all this stuff done and exactly how to do it. So let's get right into it. So here we can see the announcements on Sunday, June 26th. They did the cake off with cakes. Will you win the Great Bake Off? Traveling salesman. This guy, you'll find weekly offers within this guy right here, which is pretty cool. Then they got the nugget crafting and the chickens. So craft chickens, feed them wheat, craft a rare chicken coop to grow your egg empire. And then we got, will you be lucky enough to find a mutant chicken in an egg? So this guy actually sells you a chicken for radishes and carrots, but he only sells you one. You can come over to the barn and you can see that you can buy these for 5 SFL. There's 2 left for me to buy. I do not have 5 SFL yet, but I got some chickens already because you need them in order to come over to the kitchen. And you can see these are how you unlock your plots and recipes. So the radish pie was able to allow me to create wheat. So the radish cake is what I'm working on. So I need 25 radishes, 10 wheat, and 15 chicken eggs. So in order to feed your chickens, you need to click on your items, top right corner, next to your SFL. Then you can see you have your seeds, resources, and crops. So I click on wheat, and then I just click on the chicken. Look at them go. I only have 6 days left. So I'm going to tell you guys a quick way of doing this. So if you want to do this quick, you can come over here and just buy some chickens, buy some radishes, buy wheat, and then you can actually craft the radish cake right out the gate. You don't have to worry about growing the radishes and wheat. You don't have to wait that long because 6 days to grow 10 wheat, it takes a whole day out of there. And then the chickens also take a whole day. So I just fed these guys. It actually takes 2 full days. So I don't even know if I'm going to be able to get this many eggs in 2 days. I'll be able to get 10 eggs in 4 days. Ooh, I'm going to be cutting it extremely close. This is your farm address. This is how you're going to deposit any items or SFL tokens onto your farm. Make sure you understand that this is how you deposit SFL tokens and items. I already have 2 eggs. I might actually have to buy some eggs on OpenSea, and yeah, that's a close call on that one. I don't know if this is going to go away after 6 days or if the price is going to increase. I believe the price is just going to increase, just like this guy only sold you 1 chicken. But after you buy the cake, the radish cake, you will be able to unlock these recipes. And then you can start making some cakes, and they are quite expensive too. So like you could be selling wheat cakes for 14 SFL. That's beautiful. That's finally a game changer here. They do have a small team, but they are coming along pretty good. Also, if you come over to the Goblin Town, click on the craft, we can see that they have a few different NFT rock moles. The moles, they give you increased chances at mining different elements, and you got a rock golem, gives you 10% chance to get 3x stone. That's pretty beastie, but it's already sold out. Obviously these people are pretty good at getting on these NFTs when they come out, so good luck on getting one of these guys. So you still have a chance to get a minted farm. We're going to check out the token price here. So we can still see that Sunflower Land is hanging on to about 16 cents here, which is not bad considering the market conditions we're in. It started off at an all-time high of 28 cents. It did a crazy pump right here. All right, guys, I'm going to be working on getting these eggs so I can get these recipes for making some cakes. Let me know what you guys are doing, what your strategy is. I'll see you guys in the next video.